guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video. But yeah, I tried the spoon hack. It didn't really work out for me. One eye was much larger than the other, higher than the other. And the technique just not work for me. I'd rather do the cut crease like I've been doing it. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with a friend. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will say I do like this color combo, but I had to switch it up a bit because I was doing two different shades of orange and it was too orangey, like you couldn't see my cut crease, so that's why I added blue around the edges. I'm also doing a reverse cat eye with a felt tip liner. It's much easier to do it with that type of liner. Alright guys, there you have it. Here's the complete look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate all the love and support. My next video will be the viral eyeshadow blending hack. Stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend.